What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trending Crypto. Today we're gonna go over SUI, my top layer one pick this bull run. This is pretty much Solana before the parabolic phase last bull run, hands down. Sorry if I'm mumbling a little bit. I had a little bit of dental work done. My mouth is a little numb right now. I'm like really can't move my lips, but it is what it is. We're at $7 or wow, $3.71, down 4.8% at 10 billion. We did break that 10 billion market cap barrier. Absolutely insane. Circulating supply of 2.8 billion out of 10. So approximately 28% of the coins are in circulation. Some people have mentioned concerns about that there's still, a large majority that aren't in circulation. There's no large unlocks planned for SUI in the pretty much the next year, which is the bull run phase. So I'm really not too concerned about that whatsoever. This is my top layer one pick. If you don't know what SUI is, do your own research. It's absolutely fantastic. Currently available on any exchange. I mean, there's 32 different pages here. If you want SUI, you can probably find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on SUI. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into SUI. Last video had a pretty good turnout right here. Maybe I'll become like the SUI maxi on YouTube or something. But the great part is we did break out of our lifelong downtrend because this has never seen a bull run before, which is one of the not main reasons, but one of the big reasons why I'm super bullish on it. Layer ones with the power that SUI has and provides to the blockchain that has never seen a bull run before is very, very, I don't want to say rare, but it's pretty much a no-brainer, right? Pretty much a no-brainer. Right now we did break out of our lifelong uptrend or downtrend, uptrend resistance here. I guess you could say we're kind of in price discovery mode. Obviously we're in price discovery mode because we hit a new all-time high. On top of that though, we are a little toppy right now. We are a little toppy. I'm not going to be full on bullish on SUI in the short term because we have to look at the charts a little bit. The charts a little bit. The last several days, the MACD does seem to have topped out. We are losing our bullish momentum just a little bit here. We did flash red on the RSI, the highest we've ever been on the RSI right here. When it flashes red, that's usually an indication on the day chart. It might be a good idea to take some profit. I took a little bit of profit on my SUI, but like I mentioned, every profit that I take from my SUI is going to be put back into SUI. I took a little bit. But the main reason I didn't take a large chunk is we did not print any sell signals on the WTX yet at all. I mean, that first sell signal that we printed back here in September of 2024 is still continued upwards after that point. And we are in like the fun part of the bull run. We have 12 months to get rich. If you don't get rich the next 12 months, then you're gonna have to stick around another 4 years till the next cycle. But right now that's kind of what I'm thinking. Yes, we're in price discovery mode. We have not printed a sell signal yet. The MACD is losing a little bit of bullish momentum, so I did take a little bit off the table. It's all going to go back into SUI. What I'm going to be looking for here, I'm not saying this is going to happen. This is kind of what I'm looking for before I toss my profits taken back into SUI, is a possible correction back down to the 2.5. I know that sounds disgusting, absolutely disgusting right there. And SUI altcoins will get not wrecked, but they'll drop considerably. Honestly, I see it as a great buying opportunity. I think this thing's going massive during the bull run. This dip right here is a godsend to people who have not gotten in the SUI yet, people who want to get in the SUI, and the people who want to accumulate more SUI. What I mean by that is you can kind of see that the 786 was a resistance area back here in October 2024, and it is also the uptrend support area for SUI from the low of August of 2024. You can kind of see something like this could definitely be at play for SUI and then to infinity and beyond. So I wouldn't rule out this correction. Indicators and stuff are kind of calling for the correction. But one thing you want to keep in mind is during the fun part of the bull run, which we're in the next 12 months, TA is kind of very, very loose. Coins go against the grain a lot. They go very, very parabolic. The bullish movements to the upside are more bullish. The bearish movements to the downside are less bearish. We're just coming out of a bear market, so a lot of people are, still in that mindset of heavy, heavy corrections. And I mean, from the start of this, when we hit the 382 back here in August 2024 to the bottom of the 236, I mean, that was approximately a 36% correction. I mean, that's nothing to sneeze at. Then you have here October to the bottom in October, which was a 29% correction. So is it okay to not rule out another 30% correction back down here? Because that's kind of what it's looking like, is another 30% correction, which in case I would be absolutely loading up on SUI and the meme coins, because obviously the meme coins are going to get hard, and the meme coins are where you're going to make your money. If you're one of those layer one, main investors, then this might be an opportunity to pick up some SUI. If you're not and you're a meme coin degen, this might be an opportunity to pick up some SUI and buy some of those meme coins at a heavy discount before they start rallying to the upside. But I think this coin's easily going to $30 plus during the bull run. That's actually the same. If it was the same market cap as Sola is right now, it would be at 30 bucks. Believe it or not. I think the 1618 is what's going to be hit during the bull run top. And some people are be like, man, that's a little bit of FUD, man. I think it's going to the moon. It could, it absolutely could. But I'm going to be keeping an eye on right around this here between $30 and $40 for SUI this bull run, because it is already at a $10 billion market cap. So that's something we have to take into consideration. So from where we're currently at, that's approximately another, 9-10x from where we're currently at for SUI. So that's kind of my hypothesis right here. That's kind of what I'm deciphering from the charts. If we did happen to see this correction back down here, who knows? It might just be down to $3. $3 to 30 is an easy 10x. $3 to that 1618 right here. That's a 12x too if you actually get the bottom. So we're going to be monitoring that very closely. We are in like an uptrend channel that's forming right here, so that's another thing we're going to keep a close eye on. But I'll be doing frequent updates on SUI since it's my top layer one pick this bull run. But as of right now, I am going to be, I don't want to say bearish, because I'm kind of excited that I'm able to pick it up a little bit cheaper, like for real during the bull run right now. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.